Hello, Dhamma friends around the world. Today at Mahabodhi Buddhist Temple, Tuition Part 2, we gathered as a community for our Sunday Dhamma gathering, a special time each week where our students and teachers come together Students and teachers come together to listen, reflect, and practice the teachings of the Buddha. As the gathering came to an end, our hearts were filled with gratitude, and we began a journey back to the hostel, carrying with us the peaceful energy and wisdom from the teachings we received today. The Dhamma talk delivered by our respected teachers today was a moment of profound insight and reflection. The teachings focus on the importance of mindfulness, patience, and the practice of loving kindness, metta, in our daily lives. Our students listened attentively, eager to absorb the wisdom of the Dhamma and apply it to their own lives. It was a reminder that the practice of Dhamma is not limited to the temple, but is meant to be lived in every moment, whether in the classroom, at home, or while interacting with others. Now, our young minds are heading to their hostels, will dress up there, then will start their daily lives in the hostel according to the rules and guidelines of the Mahabodhi Buddhist Mission School, Tisang, Lungal District, Mizoram, India. We can see here how they are united, going together to their hostel after the Dhamma gathering today. It is really delighted to have this session with them. Now our girl students will be heading to their hostel. They are going together in team spirit. One of the most powerful teachings shared today was the concept of right intentions. The idea that our thoughts and intentions shape our action and ultimately our experiences. Our teachers emphasize how cultivating positive intentions such as kindness, compassion, and understanding can help us overcome challenges and bring peace to our lives. Our students reflected deeply on how their intentions affect their relationships with their friends, teachers, and family members. Today we are reminded that by setting positive intentions, they could foster harmony and reduce conflict in their lives. So our girl students are proceeding to their hostel. You can see here. This is our routine actually. As we walked back to the hostel, there was a palpable sense of calm and contentment in the air. The students were engaged in thoughtful conversation, discussing the teachings and sharing their insights with each other. It was heartwarming to see how the Dhamma was not just something they listened to passively, but something they were eager to embody and share in their own lives. Their enthusiasm to practice what they had learned today showed a deep commitment to their spiritual growth and well-being. Our teachers also reflected on the importance of guiding our students along the path of Dhamma. They shared how proud they are of the students' progress and dedication to their practice. The teachers' words were filled with encouragement and compassion, reminding the students that the path of learning is never easy, but with perseverance and kind heart, they will find peace and fulfillment. It is through these gatherings that both teachers and students come together, strengthening not only their academic knowledge, but also their spiritual understanding. In these precious moments after the gathering, we feel deeply grateful for the opportunity to come together as a community and deepen our understanding of the Dhamma. The teachings have given us much to reflect on and aspire to, and we are reminded of the importance of living in harmony with the principles of Buddhism. As we return to our daily lives, may the lessons of today continue to guide us. May we cultivate patience, practice mindfulness, and live with loving kindness towards ourselves and others. Let the teachings of the Buddha light our way, leading us towards greater wisdom, peace, and compassion. Thank you, each and every one, my dear Dhamma friends. Thank you all.